Today we are celebrating our 75th anniversary of treating wastewater here in Fairfield and Suisun City and Travis Air Force Base, and honoring all the past employees and current employees and board members that have made this organization successful for 3/4 of a century. So the focus of today is for people to learn about how this place works, what their sewer rates go to fund. And so we have a lot of demonstrations to explore the jobs that our employees do every day and the things that we do in the community to keep the community safe from wastewater hazards. For example, we're going to give some plant tours today where you can walk through our treatment plant that treats wastewater to be very clean so we can discharge it into the Suisun Marsh. We also have demonstrations from our maintenance teams, so you can see what a pump station looks like out in the community, what kind of electrical and instrumentation and control systems we run.
Well, today we're really excited, although it's windy, to have such a great day, great turnout here at the Fairfield-Suisun Sewer District for the 75th anniversary of these services. So it's a really great way to have the community join and learn a little bit more about our district. We have some amazing talent, nationally awarded individuals right here in our own community doing some excellent work.
So we really wanted to open our doors to our local community here, to the residents and businesses in Fairfield and Suisun City. We're an essential part of what makes society work, taking that dirty wastewater away from where you are and making sure it's clean. And we think it's really important that people understand that there's a whole set of infrastructure and process and people that take that and make it clean and safe to protect public health and to protect the Suisun Marsh, which is a really important ecosystem in our community.
We're at the Fairfield-Suisun open house for a facility. I've lived here in Suisun in the same house for 50 years now, and this is the first time I've been to the facility. So great staff. Yeah, I'm appreciative of the fact that they even opened this place up for us to see.
We also think it's important that people meet our employees, see the work that we do day to day, and really understand what all goes into managing a wastewater system so that they can really understand and feel comfortable that the Fairfield-Suisun Sewer District is providing great value to the community.